What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cut. I'm back today with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a tutorial how to master on for Photoshop. And you wanna boy, I got this pen in my hand. What you need it for? This is how I do my thumbnail now. You see this? Find you a pen that has this. It's like a pencil, like a pencil on paper. So all thing I do is just trace over it while I do my thumbnails on my player. So this is touch. I can use this sometime. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. So we know this ain't the load. Oh, whatever. We'll just pick. Oops. My bad. I'm found the right one. Oh, okay, I'm way off. So we're gonna choose this for a simple one for starter. What you wanna do is expand him as long as you can. And what we're gonna be doing, you see this check thing right here, the X. Make sure not on the magic one, but this one. It's gonna look just like this. I'm doing this for the people that need it, and click the backspace. We're gonna be doing the zoom in using the pen. No. I'm left hand, so it's like, there you go. What you wanna do is trace over him. Yeah, get all that. It's like drawing him, to be honest. I don't know, people might be doing this and stuff like that, so let me make this quick, y'all. I don't wanna waste your time. Oh, y'all can skip through it if you know this part. Then I'm just show you the good ones. Yeah, but if you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, turn on post notification. That would be a real big help, and I appreciate it for the ones that do. Something good could come sooner or later one day. So yeah, just subscribe just in case. You don't never know. Always stay tuned to my channel because I'm gonna have updates and new videos. I downloaded a game H1Z1. I might do a montage with Fortnite combined. You'll see. I'm gonna be doing something different. Combine kills. It's kind of alright if you play with squads. Like, it's good, so it might be worth downloading. Maybe the next best thing. So what you want to do, move. Make sure you don't hit the green line. Go watch the look. This is what happens when you hit the green line. Watch it. You see that scribble? Look what happens when I put extract. That happens. So what you want to do, go back. You don't want that to happen. Just showing the demonstration what happens if you hit it. So. Alright, the scribbles, not bad. Get rid of that. We good. So far we doing alright. Take your time, please. I recommend y'all people take good timing with this, alright? Like, I know I ain't been playing music yet, but I've been doing some 2K gameplay. I got my PlayStation Plus back, in case you ain't noticed. I was so mad, almost so mad that day, bro. I was a bit. Oh, I'm stuttering. Might be the worst day of my life. Extracts. Good. All we need is a background, but I'm gonna get rid of that though. Maybe I'm gonna just show y'all a demonstration. Just for that. What I'm gonna do is say like if you wanna have a playground background, but not really. This is what I do. I'm sorry. What I do, expand it as long as I can. Alright, let me duplicate it. Move it up the top. It seems like you ain't gonna really notice it. So yeah, you really can't notice. Kinda. Almost. So now we just, if you want to trim that down, click here, click in that little middle, merge down, down, and down. That's all one. So we're gonna click back up here to the players option. Get rid of this. And this is, oh, thought I had an eraser. Go down here. Let me move this up right quick. Eraser tool. So be careful. Yeah, always take your time on this part. Erasing. I ain't taking my time for real though. I'm really not. I really don't. I really want to know, why do y'all pay people to do your thumbnails? Why y'all just can't do it on your own? Why? Only for one picture and they charge you like $5. Wow. Just wow. You're signed out, please. Don't care. I ain't use my account on the PS2. It won't let me. It won't work right now. I need a two-step verification, but on PS4 it's working good. So I get to that soon. Oh yeah, make sure you check out that previous video about well, you could see the two video about 2K19 what we should, and comment what you think should be like on 2K19. What it should improve. And check out, if you got a PS4, the videos for y'all. It's an emergency about your my player. Alright. So y'all might as well just check that out. Just in case if your password get missing, I know a way to get it back. Reset your password. It's difficult if you didn't see the video. It took me hours until I looked up on YouTube. I tried to do it on my own. I like YouTube don't know what they're talking about, bro. I don't have time for that. Cause I was so mad. They said go on YouTube. I said I'll go sooner or later. He said, bro, you gonna still be mad, so you might as well just hurry up and do it. I like, just leave me alone right now. I do it when I feel like it. I never dropped a Rage compilation on 2K yet. Nobody pushed me that far yet. They can't. I don't get mad like everybody else now. I'm really nice. 2K, I mean, I take it seriously, but I won't yell at you that bad. Consider it as a rage. I'm like, yo, what is you doing, bro? Like, I don't feel like that's a rage. Oh, that was sweet. Alright, so now for the big trick. Fill and scroll. I always do that. See that? Voila. You got that. What you want to do, you want to brighten it up a bit. Click on Saturn, 50%. Looks a little cleaner, better. Contrast it by 50 if you want to. Looking good so far. Give it an HDR look, a little better. Sharpen that little, what's that? Drop shadow 3 times, that does the trick. Look at it. Which one do? Blur this up a bit. Do the same thing. We'll make it sharper and go ahead, doesn't matter. Let's see. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Okay, now for these other tricks I have. And for my next trick, what's up? Photo layer. Go to downloads. Exhaust and share my posts. If you want to add stuff like this, you can go ahead, doesn't matter. If you don't want to, just put it in the trash, or you can just do that, it'll go away. You can add these two, doesn't matter. We'll do the same for all, so. Oh yeah, I forgot telling y'all doing this on the Android, so yeah. Basically. Go for 2K18. Well, I can't make a big of a difference, but not really. Oh, that did it right there. But I got more in depth into it, so. Oh, I forgot to mention about that glow effect if you want to on your player. I'm gonna go to glow. When they can glow like that, you can. So that does it. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. For more tutorials on the thumbnail, and I'll catch you guys later. Oh, my elbow, I got a bad. My elbow is badly hurt, injured. But I'll catch you guys later.